Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Today, I'm sharing an exclusive Temu coupon code that lets you claim a $100 coupon for free. If you love getting great deals while shopping, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Getting started is super simple. Just click the link in the description, and it will take you directly to the page where the coupon code is automatically applied, along with the $100 coupon bundle. If you prefer not to click links, no worries. You can also scan the QR code on the screen. It works the same way. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to the Temu app, where you can claim the $100 coupon bundle instantly. The whole process takes just a few seconds. Now that you're in the app or on the website, you'll find tons of amazing products, from electronics and fashion to home essentials. Right now there's a huge sale happening, meaning you can stack even bigger discounts on top of your coupon savings. For example, if you're interested in a mobile cover, the sale and coupon code together could save you up to 85% off. That's a massive deal. And the best part? Even after the sale ends, the coupon code still gives you a great discount, so you'll always be saving. The checkout process is easy. Just add your items to the cart, enter your details, and place your order. That's it. So don't wait. Grab your Temu coupon code and claim the $100 coupon bundle before it's gone. Deals like this don't last forever. Thanks for watching. If you find some great deals, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you scored. See you in the next one.